Use a clothesline instead of a dryer to save energy and money. Use a key organizer to keep your keys organized and easy to find. Keep a notepad and pen next to your bed to write down ideas or thoughts before you forget them. Use the Pomodoro technique to stay focused and productive. Use a reusable water bottle to save money and reduce waste. Use a reusable water bottle to save money and reduce waste. Use a clothes iron to remove wrinkles from your clothes and as a mini steamer. Keep a multi-tool in your car or bag for quick fixes and repairs on the go. Use a checklist to help keep track of tasks and responsibilities. Make use of empty space in your luggage by filling shoes or small items in the spaces around larger items.